Puon kay do sa gudngunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuaan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan an sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DCKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network Radyo Ronda DCKI Iriga Member Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Para sa bado nagka-bloom sa hamot, prubaran na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Charm Fabric, bagong kumaga-bloom. Charm Fabric, damit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Iguaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, ka-bloom sa hamot.
Charm Fabric, bagong kumaga-bloom. Charm Fabric, damit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya.
I-shield mo.
Laban ng pati virus.
I-shield mo.
Shield That Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado.
I-shield mo.
Pamilya protektado.
I-shield mo.
Shield That Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart to
Smart dishwashing paste ko.
Smart to
Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to.
Tanggaling-galing mo!
Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakitawin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kita na to the max.
Star Wax ang #1 floor wax. Ugwaning waterproof formula. Ulaan man ang tubig, balikin taban sa loob.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kita na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White
White Rose Papaya. Igwaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Puti ka, White Rose Papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Maging handa, may El Nino man o wala. Magtanong ng short gestation o short cycle crops arog kan munggo, mani asin soybean. Ibuwan ang crop rotation method para makalikay sa mga teste. Magtipon ng tubig uran. Maglaag ng mulch sa palibot kan tanom gamit ang ata o bunot ng nyog. Ipa-ensure ang tanom sa PCIC para makalikay sa pagkalugi. Maapektuhan man kan sobrang init ang sa indong mga pananom.
Sarong serbisyo publiko kan Department of Agriculture sa Bicol.
Sama tayo, mag-ani wings na dito. Kapamilya man o kapuso yan, kapatid at kaibigan. Sa Intersac ay panalo. Sama tayo, pag nag-aniwis ka na at kasama mo sa mesa ay yung mahahalaga. Halakhakan at kwentuhan ng magahan ng hapunan. Kompleto na ang araw, di ka mapapabayaan. A tasty food is what you deserve. Indoy.
This time check is brought to you by Olympio C. Nivalio Custom Brokerage OPC Unit 206-C Regina Building 410 Escolta, Manila. Service offered: customs brokerage, tariff consultancy, tracking, domestic and international freight forwarder, non-vessel operating common carry.
Gusto bang maging milyonaryo? Magpadala ng pera at manalo sa M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. Mula July 16 hanggang October 15, magpadala ng pera gamit ang ML Kwarta Padala Domestic Handout at may tsansa ka maging isa sa 3 masuswerteng monthly winners of 1 million pesos cash each sa M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. See posters and flyers for more details. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 169907 Series of 2023.
Masakit ba ang iyong ulat katawan dahil sa sobrang trabaho at iba't ibang stress sa buhay? Sandali, mag-break ka muna. Hindi lang simpleng break, mag-Herbalaya break ka muna. Hinga ng malalim at imasahe ang ulot katawan gamit ang Herbalaya Liniment Oil. Sa sakit ng ulot katawan, dito na tayo sa subok na, dekalidad at siguradong ligtas. Herbalaya, amoy na kaaya-aya, sa bawat pahid ay ginhawa. Mabibili sa mga botika at grocery stores sa inyong lugar. Also available in roll-on and cream.
Be a global achievers with a world-class education and skills. Enroll at Sigara Technological Colleges at Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Sigara Technological Colleges offers the following DepEd programs: Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business and Management ABM Strand, General Academic Strand, GAS, Humanities and Social Science HUM Strand, Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2, Electrical Installations and Maintenance NC2, Masonry NC2 and Tile Setting NC2. CHED programs: Bachelor of Engineering Technology, BAT, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Food and Service Management, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major, Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major, Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They also have TESDA registered programs: Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2, Driving NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation, Well Loader NC2. Sigara Technological Colleges also offers scholarship program, Sigara Marching Band Scholarship, Sigara Barangay Official Scholarship, cash discounts. They also accept scholarship grant from Tulong Dunong, CHED, Estufa Foster Parent Scholarship, OWA, Provincial Government, Congressional District, TESDA, TWSP, and TESDA, PESFA for freshman students. College admission requirements. Bring the original high school report card F138 or SF9, Certificate of Good Moral Character F137, High School Graduate or Senior High School Graduate, Certificate of Live Birth, NSO-PSA photocopy, Certificate of Honorable Dismissal if transferee, Transcript of Records if transferee, 3 pieces 1x1 picture, 2 pieces 2x2 picture, and 5 pieces passport size picture and medical exam report. For senior high school entrance requirements, SF9 report card or SF10 Form 137, Honorable Dismissal, PSA, NSO Birth Certificate Original, Certificate of Good Moral, and Certificate of Completion. So, enroll now. For more information, please see the register or call 299-2224 or 0921-845-9871 or 0917-8830-109 or visit us at www.facebook.com/Sigara GECS or www.facebook.com. The Sigara Technological Colleges enrollment is now going on. Classes starts for school year 2023-2024 is on September 4, 2023.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asing nag-aako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Sa tahaw kan pandemya, sa ibong kan makusog na bagyo, asin pag-alboruto kan bulkan, nung kanya kitang pinabayaan, sa panahon manin pagtios o kaugmahan, an mapagpadabang manto ni inang kanya Fransya, danay tang namamatean. Siring man, kan sa uyang sa diring partido sa Kongreso, an Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasurog pa.
Siringman, buot niya mong pasalamatan ang mga major sponsors. Cantenia Francia Celebration 2023. Romars International Gases Corporation, exclusive distributor of Mars Flame LPG cooking gas. Refilling plant located at Zone 2, San Juan, Bao, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by VP Director Elmer Sapugay and Charlie Sapugay. Honorable Mayor Rex Cuba Oliva, LGU Iriga City. Olympio C. Nivalio, Custom Broker, Unit 206-C, Regina Building 410, Escolta, Manila. Miss Betsy O. Odavar, Santa Elena Baras, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Mayor Jeffrey S. Besenio, Baao, Camarines Sur. Uyaman ang mga minor sponsors. Kanamo Local Food and Beverage House, San Isidro, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Salvador and Arlene Espares and family, San Roque Poblacion, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Engineer Jonel Feliciano Jr. and family, Springfield Subdivision, San Roque, Iriga City. Engineer Ariel O. Soriano, San Miguel, Iriga City. A.T. Reyes Salon, San Roque, Iriga City. Father Dan Aguilar, Paris Priest, Our Lady of Fatima, San Isidro, Iriga City. Dr. Lisette Tulete Chuan and Mrs. Perlita Tulete Chuan, Topasugod, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Lucky Best Enterprises, owned and managed by Jenny O.K., Iriga City. Honorable Nestor Andaliz and family, Barangay Kagawad, San Agustin, Iriga City. Architect Lito Florese and family, San Antonio Ogbon, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Botor Store, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Henry Botor, San Francisco, Iriga City. Iriga Metal Forming Incorporated, Highway 1, San Jose, Iriga City. Honorable Eton Paro Balibar, Councilor Bula, Camarines Sur, and Dingdong Antioquia Balyebar, Barangay Salvacion, Bula, Camarines Sur. Honorable Ray P. Lacoste and family, Municipal Mayor, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Efren A. Martinez and family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Christine O. Martinez and family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Past Faithful Navigator, care of George Lapat, Metrocore Subdivision, Las Piñas City. Past District Deputy Eli Pasis, number 28, Mercury Atlas, Monwalk, Las Piñas City. Sa Indo Pagabos, Dios Mabalos.